Hello classmates, my name is Silvio Alejandro Alderrama and I will teach you today how to make a breakfast easy. Yeah, easy. Okay, first step, the solicitude. Mom! Could you make me some breakfast, please? Some onions, tomatoes, eggs? Yes, please.
No, ¿qué le pasa? Hágalo usted. Se levantó tarde, hace rato pasó el desayuno.
No. Okay, first step didn't work. Let's go with step 2. Smooth talking. Mom,
Dime,
how are you today? Are you fine?
how you doing? ¿Qué le pasa? ¿Tanta lambonería?
Nothing.
¿Qué pasó?
Just giving you some love.
¿Qué quieres?
I wanted to ask if you could make some breakfast for me.
No, en la nevera están las cosas, yo estoy ocupada, vaya, prepárese. Lo que quiera comer.
Okay, step 2 also didn't work. Let's go for step 3, the show. Mom! Mom!
¿Qué fue?
I'm hungry! I'm sorry!
¿Qué le pasa?
Please give me food! Please!
El show.
No, Mom, I'm very hungry!
Vaya a la cocina que hay comida. Vaya.
Lian!
¿Qué pasó, Alejo?
Come here! Please! Lian, little brother! Call Mom, please! Call her! I'm sick, please call her! Now this step is faking sickness.
¿Qué pasó?
Mom, I'm sick.
¿Qué tienes?
I have fever.
¿Cuál fiebre? Usted no tiene fiebre, lo que tiene es flojera.
Make me breakfast.
No, usted ya está muy grande. Vaya a la cocina a prepararse su comida.
Please.
Usted es lo que lo saque de la cama de un escobazo. No, señor, vaya a trabajar y haga su comida.
Stitch. What I'm going to do, Stitch. It's been 1 hour. My mom hasn't prepared breakfast. What I'm going to do? I don't want to prepare breakfast. No. I guess I will have to do it. this step is called resignation. Okay, partners. We have used every niche alternative we had. So now we only have a resignation. I need to cook breakfast. For that, we will need some eggs, tomato, onion, chopping table, dish for scrambling the eggs, and pan for the eggs. Okay, we will start with the eggs. What's happening with this egg? Okay, that didn't work, mates. I got myself injured, so we won't be trying that again. However, we will go to the next and final step, which is assaulting my little brother's stash of food. Let's check that there's no one coming here, and obviously taking and hiding the food because we don't want to be noticed. And obviously some milk to drink. We have to be careful, obviously. And that, mates, it's how you make breakfast. You're welcome.